So again, I gave you a rational function, guys. And just so we talk about this, this is a rational function. We should immediately see the domain as all reals except -2. I hope you see that it has a horizontal asymptote at -1. So the range is all reals except -1. But that's not what we're asking. We're asking you to find the derivative, the function for the derivative. And we know it's there in red. So I plug in this. And the second we get this, we have to find common denominators and get to here. And this gets to be long. All right? So I find the common denominators, and I write this out. I get 1 minus x minus h times 2 plus x minus 1 minus x times 2 plus x plus h all over the common denominator of 2 plus x plus h over 2 plus x. And again, I know this h flips up, right? And I could show you again, but we know from practice this happens because we multiply top and bottom by 1 over h. All right, now this time we're forced to multiply all these polynomials just in the numerator out. Never do the denominator, okay, guys? When you're doing definitions of proofs. All right, let's see if I can do this without a math mistake. It's pretty iffy. I'm going to have to multiply it up here because I got to distribute the negative. And guys, when I do this, if I don't do this correctly up here, I'll screw up. So I have to do it up here first. This is just my problem. And I'll change the sign down here as I bring it. All over. H times 2 plus x8 plus h over 2 plus x. Oh, please, let everything without an h disappear. Oh, and then I get a little lucky. The negative xh goes away, right? There's 2x. And I think I get minus 3h on the top. You guys agree? All right. I am just as fallible as you guys with the math here, when I'm trying to hurry especially. So the h cancels, and I'm left with minus 3 over. All right. All right. H goes to 0. F prime of x equals. Now, the book will write it like this, guys. I hate that. I would write that as x plus 2. Does someone else have this? Does anybody got? You do? Hopefully you got there, Morgan. All right, Morgan and Keaton. Check for math mistakes, guys. That's the tip for it. We just found the derivative of the function. And if we graph this, we know when it's positive, the function's increasing. We know when it's negative, the function's decreasing. And that's a huge step for us. And I think the bell already rung in Monticello, didn't it? No? 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Well, I think this is a great place to stop.